the harsh reality is that chronic diseases of lifestyle are an enormous problem. And when I talk about chronic diseases of lifestyle, I mean obesity, high blood pressure, stroke, cancer, certain cancers, breast cancer, colon cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. They are all diseases that are as a direct link of poor lifestyle. And with 4 simple things, you can change that and reduce your risk of getting these diseases. And those 4 things are eating healthily, exercising regularly, not smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight. And if you can achieve that, you're going to reduce your risk of developing one of these chronic diseases by up to 80%. The World Health Organization has estimated that by 2030, chronic diseases are going to contribute about 56% towards the global burden of disease, which is an enormous amount. But the good news is that it's mostly preventable. For me, the pillar of those 4 things is exercise. So if you can exercise regularly, the others are going to come naturally. You're not going to want to eat badly. You're not going to want to smoke. Your weight is going to come down, and it just becomes easier and easier. So as entrepreneurs, why would you not invest in your most important asset, which is yourself? So if you talk about exercise, people think, okay, I've got to go for a bike ride or a run or a swim, but it's not that. It's actually movement, and movement can mean absolutely anything. It can mean walking, it can mean yoga, it can mean jumping on your skateboard, it can mean walking up the mountain, it can mean playing a game of soccer, it can mean just walking around the block with your dog. So movement doesn't have to mean anything enormous. Do whatever gives you joy. I think that's the important thing. Movement is joy. And if you look at your exercise as a chore, it's going to be a chore. If you look at it as something fun, it's going to be fun. And with any sort of exercise, you're going to have moments of darkness. You're going to have moments where you think, oh, I'm sore and this is not great. So if you're not having fun while you're doing it, it's going to prevent you from doing it. So find something that gives you that little bit of happiness. If you can, get outside, breathe the fresh air, see the mountain, see the sky, see whatever you need to see. But it's the smells and being outside that makes exercise outside far more effective for your mental health and your physical health.